If you've lost access to your Gmail account and you don't have your phone number or recovery email, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Gmail account step by step using Google's official recovery process. This method is the best place to start when you still have some way to prove that the account belongs to you, even if your phone and recovery email are no longer available. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page, and it's the safest place to begin the process. Once the page loads, enter your Gmail address into the field and click Next. Make sure you type the email address correctly because even a small typo can send you in the wrong direction. After that, Google will ask you for the password. If you remember your password, enter it here. If you don't remember it, or if you no longer have access to the account, click Try Another Way. This is the key step when you don't have your phone number or recovery email, because Google may offer other ways to verify that you're the real owner of the account. Depending on your account history and the device activity, Google may show you different recovery options. For example, you might get a Google prompt on a signed-in device. If you're still signed in somewhere on another phone, tablet, or computer, check that device and approve the sign-in request. In some cases, Google may ask for the last password you remember. Even if it's not your current password, enter the most recent one you can recall, because that information can help Google confirm your identity. You may also be asked to verify using a trusted browser or device. If you usually sign in from a certain laptop, home computer, or phone, use that same device and the same browser if possible. Google often checks location, device history, and browsing patterns to decide whether to allow recovery. Now, follow each on-screen recovery instruction carefully. Google may ask questions like when you created the account, when you last had access, or whether you recognize certain sign-in attempts. Answer as accurately as possible. Don't rush through this part, because the more consistent your answers are with your account history, the better your chances of recovery. If Google offers multiple recovery steps, complete every one you can. Sometimes the system will ask you to wait a short time before trying again, especially if too many attempts have been made. If that happens, be patient and use a trusted device when you return. Once Google verifies that you're the owner, you'll be allowed to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and make sure it's something you can remember or store securely in a password manager. Then confirm the new password and click Save. After that, your Gmail account password will be updated and you should be able to sign in again. Once you're back in your account, it's a good idea to review your recovery phone number, recovery email, and security settings so you don't run into the same problem again in the future. You should also check for any unfamiliar devices or suspicious activity and remove anything you don't recognize. So that's how to recover a Gmail account without a phone number and recovery email using Google's official recovery steps. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck getting back into your account.